So we have completed class 5. Welcome in your science class. We have completed the chapter Essential for Life, Air and Water, and exercises. Here are the exercises. We have completed that. So first of all, from question number A to D we will complete today. So first one see which of the in the first question or MCQ pattern tick the following correct answer. So first one is which of the following gases is necessary for burning? Carbon dioxide, oxygen and nitrogen. It should be oxygen. So I have written here oxygen, A, oxygen. Question number B, which of the following form of layer of sediment in the water? First one is sand, second is sugar, third is salt. It should be sand. Now the third, which of the following method can be used to purify drinking water? Boiling, chlorination, both of this. As we know, boiling and chlorination both are the method. We can make the water clean. So both of this is the answer. Now which method is used to separate insoluble impurities from the water? Filtration, distillation and evaporation. So it should be filtration. Now question 5, what is the amount of water present in the air called? Humidity, pressure and barometer. It should be humidity. We know the percentage of the water is present in the air is called humidity. That's why in the rainy season we say the weather is so humid, because in the air the presence of water is too much. Now fill in the blanks. A mixture of the sand and water can be separated by distillation or the filtration. So mixture of sand and water can be separated by using filtration very easily, because it is a insoluble impurity. Now we add dash tablet in water to kill germs. It should be chlorine. Now sand is an impurity. It is an insoluble impurity. Now fourth one is during the process of evaporation the dash is lost. So the water is lost and impurity, that is salt, is being remain in the sea water, and by this method we find the salt. Fifth, the pressure exerted by air is called dash pressure. It is atmospheric pressure. Now air consists of about dash percentage of nitrogen. We know the composition of air, 78% is nitrogen. Now there are the three identifying method. So we can identify that. See them clearly. First one is sedimentation. Second picture is for decantation, and third picture is for chlorination. So you can write all these three methods. Now the very short answer, what is the percentage of oxygen in the atmosphere? So it is 21%. Name the instrument that is used to measure atmospheric pressure. That is barometer. We can measure the atmospheric pressure by barometer. Name two methods to remove insoluble impurities from the water. There are three methods, which are sedimentation, decantation and filtration, and we will write only two, so we can opt any two. Okay. Fourth one is name one chemical by which the rate of sedimentation can be increased. So the chemical is alum, by which we can increase, because they stick to the dust and the dirt particle and make them heavier, so they easily settle down on the bottom of the flask or bottom of any vessel. Okay. Write two uses of air. So I have written two uses. First one is air is necessary for burning, and second, all organisms need air for breathing. So first, again I am repeating the question. MCQ question A, oxygen, B, number 2 sand, C, both of these. Fourth is filtration, and fifth is A, that is humidity. Now fill in the blanks. Number 1 filtration, 2 chlorine, 3 insoluble, fourth one is water, fifth atmospheric pressure, and sixth is 78%. Now identify the process. Number 1 sedimentation, number 2 decantation, number 3 filtration. Very short answer. The percentage of oxygen is 21%. We can measure the atmospheric pressure by barometer, and the two processes by insoluble things to be filtrate out, that is sedimentation and filtration. Fourth is the alum is the chemical, and fifth, two processes, air is necessary for burning and all organisms need air for breathing. Okay, so that's all for the day, and tomorrow we will write the other answers in my offline video. I will give few more answers or the short answer questions, so just follow it for the tomorrow offline video. Thank you and have a nice day.